Welcome back to Camera West TV. My name is Carlo, and today we have an unboxing episode. Alright, let's get into it. So we have the new 35mm f1.4 spherical FLE. Let's break out the knife. And then we just lift, and boom, look at that. Summilux-M 1.4 35 spherical. Let's get this out of the box. Like so. Put the knife away. So we have here first. So we have here the lens information and the certification card. Let's put those to the side. And now for the moment of truth, the brand new 35mm f1.4 spherical. Look at that. But before we get into that, what else do we have in here? Oh, looks like there's no other accessories inside the lens pouch. It's always nice that these new lenses do come with lens pouches. All right, let's get this out of the bag. Look at that. The brand new 35mm f1.4 Summilux. Always comes standard set to f8 at infinity, so you know that it hasn't been undone. Let's take off the lens cap. This new one now has 11 aperture blades, which allows for more circular bokeh. And if you've noticed, aesthetically, it doesn't have the square head. The lens shade is now built in and integrated. Just give it a twist, and it comes out just like the 50 APO Summicron. It's pretty nice and convenient, and you'll never have to worry about forgetting a lens shade or worrying about your lens shade cap, because you have a normal lens cap, and this one is just a normal standard lens cap, E46. That is also the filter size for this lens. But enough of that, let's open up the aperture. Wow, just like a normal Summilux. Rear element. And now the moment that you've all been waiting for, the turn all the way to its new minimum focusing distance of, whoop, 0.4 and just a tad bit past. Dang, that's pretty cool. The lens doesn't retract too far past the barrel. And just like the APO Summicron, once you hit the 0.7 mark, this lens won't couple properly through the rangefinder. So you'll need to use a VisoFlex or live view in order to use these minimum focusing distances. But as you can see here, it looks like it has a different type of helicoid. And from there, past 0.7, it's completely unusable by the rangefinder. Let's put this cap back on. So I actually have the previous version with me right now, and I can show you side by side a little bit what they look like next to each other and what you can expect size-wise. So you can see without the hood, they're roughly about the same height, just maybe this one is just a smidge shorter by like maybe a millimeter or two. But, you know, with the hood back on and the hood fully extended from the other newer lens, these lenses don't lay flat very well. Well, it's a little hard to tell from this angle, but it looks like the newer Summilux might just be a tad bit shorter even with the hood on. But anyway, this looks like a great addition to the Leica lens family. I know that they've been introducing these new technical features such as the close focusing and not so new feature of integrating the lens hood into the lens. But I do think that a lot of photographers can benefit from being able to shoot at 1.4 and having a very close minimum focusing distance. Hopefully we can show you more with this lens and kind of give you an idea of what it's capable of. And if you're interested in pre-ordering this lens, it's available at leicastoresf.com and camerawest.com. So please give us a visit or give us a call and join our waitlist today. Thanks for watching.